Bro, you just literally made a logo, bro.
Yo, that shit is hard. I ain't never drew that in my life, low-key. I ain't gonna hold you.
This nigga just drew this shit. This shit is a logo. That boy about to graduate. Yo. Bro, he getting closer, bro. Oh, shit. Yes, sir. Man, move out the way, man. Move out the way. Yo, what's good? I ain't vlog in a minute. I ain't post nothing in a minute. I'd really just been working and like living life, going with God, you feel me? But today I was like, you know, bruh, first of the month, I just got done talking with people and it was like bringing all the stuff up I used to do and I haven't done in a minute. So I was like, damn, right now is a good time. It's first of the month, July 1st, you know what I'm saying? Had a whole month to think, so I'm back, man. Today we got, you know what I'm saying, some history in the making. He pressing my boy's brand, you feel me? Broken Gears, you feel me? Y'all may know him, y'all may not. I don't know, but you know what I'm saying? He got me learning this two-tone, feel me? With the vinyl. So it's like a black 3D with the gray on the white. And then on the black, I'm doing white with the gray background. But yeah, man. Just showing y'all a little progress, little shit that I haven't really like took the time to show in a little minute. So yeah, man, we coming. Alright, bro. I just got my fucking cavity filled, bro. I cannot feel my motherfucking face. Oh my God, bro, my whole right side. Bro, I can't feel shit, bro. I can't feel shit. I feel like my shit is like fucking, I don't even know, but it numb up all the way to my damn ear. This shit, hey, I had to do it though, shit. Man, we out here helping this nigga fucking start his shit. Hell yeah, we got that bit of work.
Then black, yep. And now there's no charge at all.
That man an electrician.
Hey man, I appreciate you, bro.
Oh, hell
You
yeah, bro.
big time,
Hell yeah, bro. That man an electrician, though.
Oh, yeah, I would have been sitting at the gate waiting for the next motherfucker to pop up. Like,
yeah, nah, yeah. So that bit good?
See something happen?
That bit good?
Yeah, it's great. It's great. Everything's great. It's... Put it up here, too. That bit can get the whole thing.
This man might be vlogging in his car.
Crazy.
YouTube channel coming soon.
That'd be probably a little decent too.
We're gonna make a YouTube channel called Leb Gaming.
Call Mike.
Leb TV. I text him. Oh. I don't know, you call him though. You call him.
No, if you text me, you already know him, man.
Ain't no trouble calling him. Why you got a screwdriver with me?
License plate.
Hey. Got the heated seats. Click of a button.
For real, bro. That's crazy.
Stars in the roof. LED under my feet. Suede with the leather on the seat. You feel me? I got bars. Yeah, you gonna explain this to the people? What is this?
What does it look like?
I don't know.
It's a fire extinguisher.
Alright, why do you need a fire extinguisher in your car?
Because
I'm questioning you.
Subaru's gaskets blow up. My shit blows up. I want to be able to put it out.
Security. Safety.
But if you take care of your shit, it shouldn't blow up. So
safety and security.
You know,
can I get a lighter?
It's all about what you do to your vehicle.
Can I get a lighter in the papers?
Treat it right.
Can I get a lighter in the papers?
It's gonna be straight.
Can I get a lighter in the papers? I'm gonna get with too, but just not yet. Take time. Take a time.
Yo, you need something to roll on?
Nah. I'm too good. I'm too smooth with this shit.
Yeah, man, let's actually play some music in the car. See how the stereo is. You closed your door all the way?
Stereo. See how the stereo.
Because I was literally talking to Dad the whole way here. He was kind of like guiding me.
That shit hard.
It was hard as fuck, but I'm not finna lie. For my first time, from what I've heard and watched dummy videos, bro, a whole bunch of people like stall out, you know, when they drive on the road and shit. Bro, I stalled out one time. Just one time. And it's honestly because, like, I felt rushed. I felt like the guy behind me was just like, bruh.
Man, you gotta take your time, nigga.
You gotta move.
You got a nice car.
I'm just like, yo. So that's what I'm saying. It taught me. I'm like, bro, like, I don't give a fuck what you think, bro. I'm finna move as slow as I can.
If he hits you, he hits you.
Simple.
Alright, I gotta be careful with the seats here. So I'm gonna do this with my legs. I'm in the hood, what's good? Don't play it too loud, man. I'm gonna get copyright strike.
In the hood, what's good? I miss you, what's up? I'm happy you follow me. I mix the love with drugs, I can't get enough. Codeine in the artery. Know what you mean, we good. She came to my hood, and now she a part of me.
Oh, that's stock?
That wasn't even all the way up.
Is that stock?
No, I don't think so. I think he added JBLs.
Can't go wrong, JB.
Can't go wrong with JBL, bro. Yeah, man.
So what do you have to tell to the people?
I'm in the hood, what's good? I miss you, what's up? I'm happy you follow me. I miss the love of drugs, I can't get enough. Codeine in the artery.
How do you feel about having your car?
Bro, I feel accomplished. I'm not gonna hold you guys. I feel stupid accomplished. Dummy accomplished. Cause like, my dream car right here, bro. I've been wanting this car since I was before a teenager, bro. I was 12 years old.
Yeah, that's crazy.
And
it really does hit different when you put it like that.
Bro, I was 12 years old and I wanted this is not the year that I wanted. I wanted the 2005 ball by year. You know, I couldn't find one that was in good condition with, you know, the right amount of mileage. And if I did, they were asking an outrageous fucking price. So I found this one. This is 2018 STI. And I got it for under 30 grand, bro. Like, this year, like maybe like 2015 and like 2000, when did they stop? 2020, if I'm not mistaken. They stopped making STIs. And they usually start out at like 30 grand. Easily 30 grand. So for me to get this bitch for under 30 grand, bro, I'm chilling.
I don't think it's hit you yet, though.
Nah, bro. It hit me when I was driving home, bro. The adrenaline rush was just like, bro, nigga, this car is yours. You gotta take care of it, you know? And then on top of that, I'm like, bro, I don't even know how to drive this shit. And I'm actually driving this shit. Like, shit crazy, bro. But watch, bro. Once Dad come, bro, I learned that bit in like 2 days, bro. Cause in a way, I already know the concept of it, bro. I know the whole concept of it. I just, the only problem for me right now, bro, is first gear. I can't, like, get it smooth. I want that bitch smooth to where you can't even notice. You know what I'm saying?
The only way to do that is to practice it.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. I would practice right now, but I can't even start the car. That big will wait the whole neighborhood out. I can't believe I made it this far. Yeah, man. For any of y'all asking, questioning me why I have my grabba in a plastic bag, this is not no normal grabba. This is authentic grabba from the Virgin Islands, and it tastes way different than regular grabba. 10 times better. 10 times better. But these seats are comfortable. I'm not gonna hold you though.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be like not ass, cause I know this good, but like
this is comfortable, bro. Like I'm not gonna hold you. I got a whole bunch of cushion.
I'm trying to talk, nigga. Fuck, nigga. I this suede, right?
Yeah. And it's, I think it's suede and leather. This is leather too.
Yeah, no, this is leather for sure. That's why I was like, I don't know how it's gonna be, but it actually makes sense, cause like a lot of the leather that mostly where you sit at, where it gets heated up by your ass, that shit gets wrinkly, and that's what tears. So like for it to have the suede, it's like a balance of the both, because you get like the outside feeling of like the leather, but the when you sit in, that shit is the suede, and that shit is clean.
I wanna see if I can find out if I can like change the interior light to blue. Like my gauges.
Yeah. So what do you got? Any words of inspiration?
Words of inspiration, bruh. Do what you want to do. Do what you want to do. Don't let nobody stop you. Don't let nobody change your mind. If you want to do it, if you want to accomplish it, you can do it. Put your mind to it, bruh. Because I did it. One of my dream fucking cars, bruh. And I'm 23 going on 24, bro. That shit is crazy. Yeah, and I'm not even wealthy, bro. I'm just barely in middle class. Respectfully, bro. Just gotta play it smart.
Appreciate y'all tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. Tight shit.